Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to review two brand new products that are fresh on the market, and these are going to be this foundation from Sisley that is a Phyto Tient Ultra Eclat, and we're going to be talking about these eyeshadows from CHANTECAILLE. And if you're interested to see how did that go, then carry on watching. Before we're going to begin, I would like to say that all the products were purchased in Neiman Marcus. This particular product comes in 14 shades. It retails for $95 plus tax. It promises that it will be a natural to radiant finish. It is new improved formula from the previous foundation that they had. Unfortunately, I have not had the liberty of trying the previous one, but we're gonna try this one. And it's suited for all skin type. On the website it says that it hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It is easy to apply and can be easily adjusted to required level of coverage. It is oil free. It has a long-lasting formula suited for all skin type, long-lasting even in hot humid climates, hydrates and softens the skin. On the package it says here very natural velvety finish, long-lasting, medium buildable coverage. Okay, so this is what the instruction says. And when it comes to the eyeshadows, these retail for $52 plus tax. The box includes this leaflet that explains all about the charities that the money are going to go to. And the leaflet suggests that 5% of sales will go towards charity or for the protection of the endangered species, which is a very admirable thing to do. I'm really happy that somebody's actually doing something about it. And let's start applying the makeup. I just finished applying my Embryolase cream, and for my under eye area I'm going to be using the usual Hydra Beauty Micro Gel. I'm gonna apply substantial amount to make sure that it is nice and moist. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is frosted glass bottle, comes with a pump. It contains 1 fluid ounces or 30 milliliters of product. It is made in Italy and it's good for 12 months from the moment of using it. I have a very sensitive skin, and once I touch it with my hand it goes nuts. So it's a little red, but no worries, it will go away in a minute. I'm gonna give it a little shake, and I'm gonna take my mirror, one pump, I'm gonna dot it all over my face. I'm gonna get my artiste brush and apply. Wow, this is just one pump. I love it. Other side, it is very liquidy substance, which is going to be perfect for dry skin girls. I don't know if it's going to be suited for oily skin, although the Sisley is marketing it to the all skin types, and normally that's not quite as easy. I just finished applying the foundation and this is the results. I think this is very natural finish. I love how perfectly it is matching my skin. It is luminous finish. It feels very hydrating. So far, I don't see anything to complain about. It is medium coverage, max. Buildable, maybe. I would say this will be perfect as natural your skin, but better foundation. I love it. Love it. Now, of course, the challenge is going to be how is it going to react when we're going to apply layers of the rest of the makeup. But before we're going to carry on with that, I would suggest let's start testing these babies. These are the shadows from CHANTECAILLE. I bought them once again in Neiman Marcus. This is what it looks like. this is the pan. This is the swatch. It's just like almost micro glitter sparkles to it. They're not chunky pieces of glitter. Very, very nice, highly pigmented. And we are going to let the foundation sit on my face, and I'm gonna start prepping my eyes for the application of these eyeshadows. I am in dire need of washing my makeup brushes. I'm gonna apply that. Next thing I'm gonna get is my concealer from Chanel. This is shade 20 Beige. Do this. I'm gonna grab my Artiste brush, and I am staying away from the concealers that are 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin, because then it makes me feel like I look like a raccoon. But then again, it's all personal preference. I'm going to fix my concealer with this powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna get my brush. Because these are the single shadow, I would like to use something together whilst using it. So I'm gonna grab my contour palette by Marc Jacobs, and I'm gonna go into the pan, the one that you use for the contouring, and I'm gonna get my Hakuhodo brush. I'm gonna coat it nicely, and I'm going to create the transition shade. And do the same thing with the other eye. So this is what we have. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use these eyeshadows. I am gonna try first with the dry brush. I'm gonna grab this Marc Jacobs shadow brush, and it is dry, so I'm gonna get some of it on my brush and apply. Okay, it is nice, but I think I would expect a little more pigmentation, so let's wet the brush. So I'm gonna get prime. I'm gonna wet the brush. I'm gonna go back with the wet brush and see. Yes, wet brush is definitely a way forward. Okay, well, whilst brush is good, I'm gonna use my fingers. So this is the shade, and let's see. Bam. Yep, that is what ooh, look at it. Very nice. So I'll do the same thing for the other eye. Gonna start with the brush. This is what we have, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna grab my Hakuhodo, what is it, S122, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. Like so. So I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back in a minute. So this is the final look for today, and I have to say that I am very, very impressed. I love this foundation. The claims of natural and radiant finish are absolutely truthful. It looks very natural, it feels very light, it does not emphasize my pores, it does not dry, it does not grab to my drying patches that I have around my nose in particular, and it's just my skin but better. And I love it. Yes, it is a little bit on the pricey side, but then again, we're talking about Sisley, and because I have been trying to film this third time now, I can assure you This foundation is fantastic. The first time when I filmed it and the microphone wasn't on, which was such a doozy, and in the evening when I had to take my makeup off, it looked exactly as the moment I have applied it. So it is well and truly tried by me, and today hopefully I will keep the film, nothing will go wrong. So that's foundation. Yes, we'll recommend it. Yes, I love it. When it comes to these eyeshadows, they are stunning. These eyeshadows have this very sophisticated micro glitter that is just perfect for the daytime. If you want to intensify it, you certainly can, and they are highly pigmented. I found the best application for myself personally was with my finger or wet brush. Dry brush was okay-ish. They contain 2.5 grams or 0.08 ounces of product. Would I recommend them? Yes and no. I would recommend them because they're beautiful and they're very sophisticated. The part that I would not recommend is because it's just not a lot of product that you get, and it is $52. So that depends. Would I buy the others? Yes, I would. Do I think it's a necessity? No, but I still will go ahead and buy them. Do I think it's a good value for the money? No, I don't. Victoria Beckham offers a lot more product. Sorry, it was upside down. And Victoria Beckham offers a lot more eyeshadows, and those are gorgeous. But these guys have impressed me, and the fact some of the sales revenue will be going towards good cause, that is definitely making me feel much better about it. So these two are a yes for me. I love them. I'm happy that I purchased them, no regrets whatsoever. So on this fabulous note, I'm gonna go and start working on this movie before it goes wrong on me again. And I would like to thank you for watching it, and thank you for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and join me on my Instagram account. I'll see you in my next one, but for now, it's bye-bye.